Hey everybody, this is Lester Llewellyn reporting live from the man cave. We're gonna test today the ice bucket air conditioner challenge. So, in my man cave, it's really hot. If I leave the door open, if I leave the door closed at night, it'll cool down and stay cool. But then I'm in and out because it's kind of my workshop too. You can see all my work equipment's all over there, and my man cave's over here. Back to me. Hey, here I am. Okay, so let's check the temperature first. So as you can see, we found a little thermostat at the dollar store and we put it up on the wall. And can you zoom in? It's like 30 plus degrees in here. Can you see that? Red? Yeah, right there. Zoom in, there we go. See, 30 degrees, okay? Now we're gonna build this little ice bucket air conditioner and then we're gonna see if we can cool it off in here and make the test and see if this air conditioner works. So, Facebook challenge, the ice bucket air conditioner. What we're gonna need, we need a drill, we need an X-Acto knife to cut the top of the lid, some duct tape to tape your fan down. I don't have a fan that I can tape down, but I'll show you what I got. Block of ice. Just pick this up, that's why I'm gonna do this video really quickly. A bucket, and a fan. I found this fan at a yard sale. Let's see if we can mount this thing onto the top of the bucket, okay? Already got to plug it in so we don't have to do that. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. I'm going to do this in high speed. Okay, if you can zoom in on the bucket. So what we first have to do is fit the bucket to the lid, put the fan to the lid of the bucket. So I've already done it. I've taken my lid, down there, and I've cut the hole the size of the fan. I'm going to take the lid off and I'll show you. Can you see it? Wait a minute. See that square? The rectangle cut out? That's the size of the fan that's going to blow down on inside. I put some water inside the bucket, and now we're going to add the block of ice, because that's what we're supposed to do. Now, how do we get the air to circulate? Well, that's what you need the drill for, because you take the drill, and you drill the magic of video, holes everywhere, and ta-da! You have drills. So this is where the air is going to come out, and the air is going to go in warm, out cold with this block of ice. So we're going to take the lid off. And let's keep the block of ice in the bag, I think. I'm sure we'll take it out. Let's take it out. And dump the filtered water lid in there. Okay, so let's get this bag. I got the bucket out of the garden, don't mind the dirt. Okay, now the rip it open. And the ice is exposed. And it's going to cool down the water. There we go. Pulling out the water. The block of ice is in the water. Sticks up pretty far. I'm going to have to let some water out because my holes are pretty close to the water level. There's a cup somewhere. Oh, there's a chunk of ice in here. Where's the water even? Okay. Now, fan's got to go on top there to burn my hands. I don't know if there's anything else going on in this. This is pretty cool. I don't know. It might work. Okay, so first we got to take some water out of the bucket because it's too full. I need a cup. Found the cup. Take some of this water out. Oh, see, you can hear it's overflowing. Take some water out. Take some water out. Just stay right here on the bucket so you can see when the water level is low enough to stop. Go right up here so you can see how the water level is. So starting at 80 degree temperature, I'm getting a bucket of water with a block of ice. Take some water out so it doesn't overflow when the ice melts. Is that really low enough? That looks like it's low enough yet. Okay, lid goes on. Lids are nice tight seal too. Okay, then I'm going to put this up here. On top of the bar. Okay, can you zoom from there? So you can see. I'm going to put the holes blowing out. at the middle. So this shed is like 15 by 15 square, and plus it has some furniture and storage inside. But this is my man cave, and I'm going to try and make an air conditioner. So now we're going to take this fan. Now what I found about this fan, I'll show you, is it has a filter built in. But this filter turns the fan down. This is going to be kind of loud. But if I take this filter out, look how loud the fan is. So I put this kind of filter inside the fan instead to catch it up when it's floating, so it doesn't go in the fan. Put it back on. The fan is stronger. Blow more air. And then this fan blows air over the top, so I have to flip it over. And that's the square part that goes over top of the bucket. And then blows down onto the block of ice and has water in the bottom, and out comes cold air. Darius, would you say that that's cold air?
Mm-hmm.
Give it a feel.
Yeah.
How's it feel? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Would you say it's a pass or fail? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs bucket ice. So we'll check back later, and I'll post it in the comment section what our temperature gets down to in the shed. But for now, we have to close the door. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I guess this one's a pass. Thanks, interest. Have a great day.